In this video we will be replacing the battery from an early 2000 Honda key fob. The only tool that is needed for this task are a coin and a flathead screwdriver. We will also need one CR 2025 battery. I have included a link below for the battery. Using a coin, move the cover from lock to unlock position. As you see, there are markings showing the lock and unlock position. Flip the remote to remove the battery cover. To remove the battery, use a small screwdriver. The battery is CR 2025 and you can see directions here indicating the orientation of the battery. Replace with fresh battery. Next, put the cover back on the remote. Using the coin, move the cover from unlock to lock position. This is how simple and easy it is to replace the batteries on your Honda remote. Thanks for watching.